We get a lot of messages from students on YouTube or emails asking for help in applying for internships or jobs on Internshala. So, we decided to make a detailed video, a step-by-step guide that will help you to use the Internshala platform right while applying for your dream internships and jobs. This video will help you even if you already know how to apply on Internshala, because it will also discuss some useful tips that can help you in your internship search in particular and in your career in general also. This is how to get your status changed from applied to hired in no time.
So this video you will learn how to create a strong profile on Internshala, how to apply right on job or internships, tips and tricks to get hired in no time.
This is the Internshala website on the address bar. On this, you can apply to thousands of internships and job for free and can enroll to awesome online training courses that come with placement guarantee. And all this will get started by registering on Internshala. For this, you will register as a student. We have signed up with Google as well. You can get registered by simply selecting your Gmail ID as well in this way. Then, it will prompt you to complete your profile. It is a crucial step that needs to be done in order to apply to the internships and jobs through Internshala. Now, fill your profile, your first name, last name, your email ID, your contact number. Make sure to put your correct contact number so that HR can reach you easily and directly, location and so on, and then click next. Enter your course, college name, your stream, start and end year. Then next. Here you will mention your area of interest. It is the field in which you want to do an internship in. Like my area of interest is video editing. I will select that. You can mention more than one interest area. Then click next. On Internshala, you can find both jobs and internships, both in office and work from home. So select your preferences. Do not worry. If you are unsure of your preferences, you can edit them later as well through your dashboard. How? This I will cover later in the video. So now let's find opportunities for me. See, it has given me 9,771 internships matching my preferences. You can apply more filters to narrow down your search. Uncheck the box. Enter your preferences like category, video making, editing. You can select more categories as well. If you are not sure how to find out your interest area or field in which you want to do an internship in, please refer to this video. It is a complete guide on how to get an internship. The link is in the description box. So now enter location. Check the box if you are open to work from home as well, and choose your desired stipend that you are looking for. You can add more filters like when you can start the internship, the duration you are available for the internship, and if you are looking for a PPO, that is a pre-placement offer as well. I will check the box as I am looking for an internship with a job offer. बार-बार इंटरव्यू देने का टेंशन ही खत्म. See, these many internships are available as per your preferences. This shows the internship requirements posted by the company, like profile, that is motion graphics and video editing design, company name, location, its logo, start date, that is immediately, duration and stipend. It also tells when the internships got posted, that is few hours ago. Getting an internship is highly competitive on Internshala. Only 1 in 50 applications is successful. So do not wait for the last minute, because students who apply early have 10 times more chances to get hired. Click on View Details to know more about the internship and company. Here you will read about the company and about the internship. It is important to go through it carefully, as this will help you know whether the responsibilities align with your interest areas and do you have the relevant skills. If you think you need to develop a few skills in order to apply to such internships, then you can do online training on Internshala itself. Internshala is also suggesting a few skills. You can click on any of them and enroll to the suitable one. You can also click on Internshala trainings here and select the relevant training. Internshala also offers placement guarantee in these courses. That means after successful completion of the course and your graduation, you will be placed in the relevant internship or job. Coming back to the page, check who can apply for this role, perks which this internship is offering, number of openings. Then you can click on Apply Now. Internshala will prompt you to fill in your education details, job and internship experience if any, and relevant training and courses if any. This will be your resume. Each section will prompt you want to mention in it. If you are unsure of what to mention and what not to mention, check this video on sample resume. This link is in the description box. It will help you. Then click on Proceed to Application. Now you will see the cover letter, this, why you should be hired for this internship. Question is what you need to answer everything you apply to any internship on Internshala. It is an important question. Many students think that their resume is the most important part in their application. हाँ वो भी है, but writing a good answer to this question is even more important because your answer to this question is the first thing that company sees in your internship application on Internshala, and it is the basis of this answer company decides कि आपकी आगे की application पढ़नी है या नहीं. So before answering this question, do read the tips to answer this question. Make sure your answer displays your relevant skills, past experience, and your enthusiasm to work with this company. Most importantly, there should not be any grammatical and spelling errors. You can refer to this video. The link is in the description box. Then you can check the box and confirm the availability for this internship. Then click submit. Once you have submitted it, it will show you your application. At the same time, it will also show similar internships you may apply to. Often students make a mistake of applying for only 1 or 2 internships with the hope to get selected for at least one. But when they don't get selected, they get demotivated and stop applying. The key is to apply to at least 15 internships because students who apply to at least 15 internships have 10 times more chances of getting hired. And in case you don't want to apply to these internships right away, you can use bookmark option to apply to it in future. Click on it and the bookmark will be automatically added. There is a chat option also available. This chat can be started by the company only. If the company wants to connect with you regarding your assignment or application, you will receive a notification here. This is your dashboard where you can check the status of your internship and edit your resume preferences as well. It is advisable to go through the safety tips as well. So go through that as well. My application, you can see the internship you have applied to and the status. Presently, my internship application status is applied. To change it to hired, apply to at least 15 internships, answer the question why you should be hired for this internship correctly and work on your skills.
And when your status changes from applied to hired, then congratulations, and do not forget to download your certificate in this way.
I suggest you follow our videos both long and short that we post on Internshala YouTube channel. We talk about so many tips and tricks that can help you build your career. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below. All the best for your internship and job search on Internshala.